students! Welcome to class. It's lunchtime. What are you guys eating? Well, this is what that vegan teacher, Miss KADIE, is eating today. Just a bunch of random stuff that I took out of my fridge and my cupboards. Remember, I'm always telling you that you should eat what needs to be eaten, not just what you want to eat. So that means, what does your body need and what does your fridge need you to get rid of? Don't waste food. All right, so today I'm having just a sort of a random bunch of stuff, and for dessert I'm going to be having this or this. Now, I rarely have dessert, so don't have this every day. Maybe once a week, something like that, just as a little treat. All right, let's start over here. So I had some frozen veggies, so I put these in a pot. I just warmed them up, and I didn't overcook them, so they're still a bit chewy, so we're not going to lose too much of the vitamins in there. They're going to be just perfectly fine. I actually didn't add anything to them. You can if you want to. You can add whatever sauces you want that you make yourself. Vegan sauces by blending up other veggies, putting in some spices. But today I'm just having these plain. Now, I'm not saying that you should eat what I eat. I'm just telling you what I do in case you guys are curious, because a lot of you are asking. What I'm saying that you should do is follow some amazing vegan dietitians. If you don't know what to eat, follow them. But if you're curious about what I eat, well, this is it. All right, so then I put some tomatoes here. I had some tomatoes left over, so I put 4 of them there. This is hummus. Hummus is ground up chickpeas mixed with tahini and some spices. So that's really delicious. And I'm going to be dipping these crackers in there. These crackers are vegan. And I'll just show you the package in case you're interested. Let's see. This is it right here. Lentil with turmeric crackers. Organic. 3 seeds. Flaxseed, black sesame seed, and chia seeds. And these happen to be gluten-free. Now remember, gluten-free has nothing to do with being vegan. Gluten-free is just your ability to tolerate things, or what you choose to put in your body. It has nothing to do with the animals, so don't get that mixed up. For 16 crackers, it's 130 calories. 16 crackers is considered to be 1 portion. Now, as usual, no cholesterol, because vegan foods don't contain cholesterol. Animal products do, so that's good. So that's one thing I wanted to show you here. All right. Now, what about these artichokes? These are artichokes. Now, admittedly, before becoming vegan, I rarely ate these. And now I eat them on a regular basis. Not every day, but, once a week or once every couple of weeks, because there's so many different things to eat. So these I just happen to have this jar here. Now, this is something my husband bought, actually, because he said, look, it has the name Bella on it, which is, of course, our vegan dog. These are grilled artichokes. And, of course, he's Italian, so that's a product of Italy, so that kind of grabbed his attention. I don't know how exactly healthy these are. I think they have quite a lot of oil in them, but let's have a look. Artichokes. Okay, 55%. Sunflower oil, parsley, garlic, chili salt, white vinegar. You get the idea. There's some flavors in there. It's just that the second ingredient is oil, so that means they're kind of floating around in a lot of oil. And oops, I'm kind of spilling this here. I'm gonna have to clean that up. All right. We also have here these are dates, and dates are nutritious whole foods. This is figs. These are figs. They are also really good, very sweet, and that can be part of a dessert. And so can this delicious piece of watermelon. So juicy. Here we have some almonds, and we have some walnuts. So you can see there's a huge variety here of different foods. So really, it's up to you. It's about getting used to eating in a different way. Most of you eat as you look down at your plate, you see meat as the main thing. But vegans don't eat that way. We know that we don't want to hurt animals. We don't want to hurt little baby pigs at 6 months old. Can you imagine? They put them in gas chambers. So don't be mean to the animals. There's no reason to. Well, this little girl is vegan. Her name is Regan, and she likes to save pigs. Yeah, and she was named after somebody whose name is Regan Russell. If you want to Google Regan Russell, you'll see that she died, actually, trying to save the pigs. About 200 of them were in a truck. She was trying to give them water before they were sent to slaughter, and unfortunately she was run over And we don't want her name to be forgotten because she risked her life. She actually gave her life for the animals. And it's important that we don't forget the heroes of our movement. So remember, her name is Regan Russell, and I named this little girl after her. She was trying to save little pigs. Imagine putting 6-month-old pigs into gas chambers. How horrific. So let's have a look here. Put veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate. So open up your heart. Open up your heart to the animals. And if you find tables in the garbage, have fun painting them. This is a work in progress. It sort of never ends. Look, I just put a bunch of different paint splotches everywhere, and I keep adding words to this and different dots and all kinds of colors. So have fun. Have fun with your art. Write some vegan messages. I also wrote this one. Remember this. Be kind. Everyone is fighting a battle you know nothing about. I know you guys at home are having problems. Some of you are suffering. Everybody has little problems. Some of you have bigger problems. And I know that the people who are the meanest in the comment section, they're probably suffering the most. That's why they're mean. Hurt people hurt. People that are hurt others. And of course, we want to have compassion for them. We want to be patient. They'll become vegan eventually if they stick around. But at the same time, we have to protect ourselves. And if they're just too mean and too awful, spreading lies, at some point, it's okay to make our boundaries and separate ourselves from them. And they'll get their 100 clicks on their road to be vegan from someone else. I can only do my best here on this channel. I do close off the comment section often because there are so many lies being spread in there. I can't even keep track and try to, teach you what the truth is. So that's why I urge everybody to keep watching all of the videos. Here are a few last-minute facts. In the dairy industry, the baby boy cows are removed from their mothers. They are taken away. That's called kidnapping. Then they are murdered. Then they are turned into veal. Please don't hurt animals. Please don't take baby cows away from their mothers. In the dairy industry, the bulls are masturbated. That means they are touched in a sexual way that is not okay. Humans steal their sperm. It's not okay to steal. It's not okay to murder. It's not okay to rape animals. All these industries are terrible. Please be kind to animals. Don't buy any dairy products. Don't buy any meat. And don't buy any eggs. Eggs also come from a cycle of violence. The baby boy chicks are murdered at birth because they will never be able to lay eggs. Be kind to animals. Please think about them. I know that you are suffering too. Everyone is suffering. Everyone has a battle that they're suffering and they're fighting. And we know nothing about it, but that's no reason to take it out on the animals. Please be kind. Go and buy yourself a vegan ice cream. All right? If you were with me, I'd give you a huge hug, and I would share these with you. I really would. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. For those of you who are suffering from dystopia, the anguish of being vegan in a non-vegan world, remember I'm here. You can always come and hang out. I'll be here. I understand you. For those of you who are vegan phobic, who are just mean on purpose to animal rights activists, you know it's not okay. You know it's not okay to be racist. You know it's wrong to be mean just because somebody is the way that they are, fundamentally. Well, vegans are born vegan. We are born with a compassionate heart. We never wanted to hurt animals. Yes, we ate them. Yes, we know that, and it was wrong. We didn't know better. Our parents fed us animals just like they feed to you. But when you know better, you can do better. Thank you, everyone, for being here. If you haven't yet subscribed, please press the subscribe button and hang out with us. We're going to be just hanging out. That's it. Learning a little bit every day. Showing each other what we eat, talking about the animals, trying to protect them, sharing their stories. Thank you so much, everybody. And I'll see you in the next video. Coming up on the screen, you will see some videos. If you haven't yet seen them, check them out. Press on them, be curious, and press the notification bell so we can hang out here every time there's a new video. Take care.